Now coming through that start chicane, here comes Josiah. And Josh Love right in tow, right there on the door. Josiah initiates Josh Love. Sticks it to the side of him. Nice job by Josiah FALLAISE out front, and Josh Love cannot be shaken. Let's see how he handles this inside clip. Both of them really tight. Into that final outside zone goes Josiah, pours some more angle at it. Very similar and reminiscent of what we just saw from Austin Mata, Ryan.
When a driver in the chase position does a transition right on the back bumper and then gets right on the door, that is one of those beautiful sights in drifting. And Josh Love is able to do something very similar to that by getting a great initiation in tow and then doing that. Gets right on the inside, does not leave a second, a half a second, a quarter a second of gap, and keeps the pressure on FALLAISE. Now that's only possible because FALLAISE is driving well in his own right as the lead driver. So this is a great way to start things off here. This one more time battle, well deserved.